Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Trendsend video. Yeah, I am excited to see what is in my Trendsend box. If you're not familiar with Trendsend, this is a style service that is offered by the women's retailer Evereve. I don't have an Evereve store anywhere close to me. So I am really grateful that I get to try out the products via Trendsend. And with Trendsend, you just go online, fill out a profile, and every single time I get a Trendsend box, I have a different stylist who puts together a box for me. My last Trendsend box was very, very expensive. I don't think there were any sale items in that box. And normally I request sale items. I did request sale items in this box. So keep your fingers crossed because Evereve offers a high quality product, but the prices also reflect that. So it's a little pricey for me. I do appreciate getting the discounts. If you're interested in trying a Trendsend box for yourself, I have left all the details for you in the description box below. I have a referral link if you would like to use it. If you use my referral link, Trendsend will offer me a 20% discount for one of my future boxes. So thank you to everyone that has used my link. Trendsend also offers a 10% discount if I am able to keep 4 or more items. So that's always what I'm going for. I like to be able to get that little bit of discount. I like discounted clothing however I can get it. So let's open this box and see what is in it. All right, here is what the box looks like. On the top, they do include a mailer, and postage is free both ways with Trendsend. So anything that doesn't work for me, I will just return it in this prepaid postage bag. My box does come with an envelope, and this has a detailed note from my stylist telling me exactly how to style the clothing and an invoice. And it looks like we have a couple bundles. Okay, this is bundle number 1. I love it. I love the colors already. I hope it works. The colors look like summer. And bundle number 2. This is a little bit darker, but let's check out bundle number 2. One of the things that Trendsend does offer is you can go to the Evereve website and you can actually heart items that you like or you would like to try and put them basically on your wish list. And the Trendsend stylists are supposed to try to include those in the boxes if they are able to. And I have put a bunch of graphic tees on my wish list. So it looks like I might have one here. What does this say? Yes, this is one that was on my wish list. Humble Warrior. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of arrogant to wear a t-shirt like this, isn't it? But I like this one. This one is by the brand May All Beings Be Happy and Free. And this is a super soft heather gray. And it does look like it might have some big armholes. It does have a rounded bottom. Yeah, I like this t-shirt. I know it's pricey. If it looks good, I am probably going to purchase it. Okay, next up is a tank top or a sleeveless top. Actually, this feels like a polyester blend. It actually feels like a very nice fabric. This is in a green and black color, and you can see there's a sales tag on it. So this is regular $58. It's been marked down 3 times. It is now $19.99. So I like the sales price on this one. Let's see, what does it look like? It does have a rounded hemline. It appears to be a little bit longer in the back. So yeah, that might be a nice option for me. And next up we have cut from the cloth, and these are the black high-rise Mia Skinny. Mia Skinnies are my favorite cut from the cloth style to wear. These are in a black wash. Are you on sale? Please be on sale. They're on sale. These are $68.99, so $69 basically for these black cut from the cloth. Are they distressed? Nope, they have some fuzz on them. I thought they had distressing on them, but they appear to be a very clean black jean. So I really don't need these, but I love cut from the cloth, so I'm going to try them on. And you notice that she sent these and because they would pair nicely with both of the tops in this bundle. All right, bundle number 2. Let's see. Ooh, okay, this is a tank dress. does it have pockets? Pocket. Yes, there's pockets. And then we do have that striping detail down the side. This is in an olive green color. It has a deep scoop neck. I like the look of this, but it looks short. And I'm really not into wearing short dresses, but there's so much about this dress that I do appreciate. This is by Peyton Jensen. It's in a size small. I'm sure they sent a size small because this must run large. So it still looks too short. Just from looking at it, we'll see. We'll see how this one works. Okay, the next one, that is Peyton Jensen. I can read that in the camera. Yeah, so this is a really pretty kind of pinkish coral color. This is a cotton dress, a crew neck, but it also seems like it's a little short. There are no pockets in this one. Are you on sale? It's not on sale. No. Oh, and it's $64. So this, I have to look gorgeous in this to keep a t-shirt dress that is as plain as this one for $64. Okay, we have another dress here, and this one is a maxi dress, and this is in navy and white, so I like the colors on this. This feels very, very springtime. There is also some ruching in the back of the dress. This one is by Z Supply, and yeah, so it's pretty simple, long dress. Oh, there is a slit down the side, so we'll see how that one looks on. I like this one. Are you on sale? It's not on sale. $72. Let's try them on. Okay, I've tried everything on and I'm back to share my final thoughts with you. I'm going to start with the most expensive piece in the box, and this is actually the first piece that I tried on because I was really hoping that this would work. Now, this one is Z Supply and this is $72. That's a pretty deep scoop neck, and the straps were kind of tricky too. To get the straps to cover my bra in the front and the back, it was a little bit tricky. It took a lot of adjusting. My stylist did ask me to pair each and every dress with a jacket, a denim jacket or a cardigan. But I showed you the dresses without that because I really want a dress that can stand alone. Of course, I can always put a cardigan or a jacket over it. This maxi dress, I think I would have to wear with a jacket because the sleeves just kept moving around. What did you think about that ruching in the back? I think that's kind of a sweet detail. I like it all right. This dress is really very, very long. I am 5'7". I did try the dress on with flat sandals and it was dragging the ground. So if I purchased this dress, I would have to wear it with a high-heeled sandal or a wedge, something like that. I don't think this dress is perfect, and for that reason, I think I need to send it back. I sure do like it. I wish it was just a little bit better fit in the top for me. Okay, number two, coming in at number 2 in the price points. This is the cut from the cloth Mia high-rise skinny. These are $68.99. The normal price tag for a cut from the cloth is about $89. So I do like the price tag on these. I'll tell you what, this is the first time I have dealt with this issue from cut from the cloth. These were very, very long, and I normally do not have issues with denims being too long, but in the try-on you can see that I had one leg rolled and one leg down, so you can see I might actually have to roll these if I wore them with a sandal or a flat or any type of flatter shoe. So I was a little bit surprised by that. I'm leaning towards keeping these. I do not believe I will wear these during the summertime. They are just so very dark. I do have black jeans. I don't know if I need them, but cut from the cloth feel amazing. You know what? There is a teeny tiny bit of distressing on these jeans. I didn't notice that in the beginning. I noticed it in the try-on, but yeah, I think I will probably keep these because of the discount. Okay, next up is the Peyton Jensen dress. I love the look of this dress, and I normally like anything with a racing stripe on it, but as I suspected, it's too short for me. I'm not comfortable with a dress that is that short. This is really, it's a cotton very breathable fabric. It's just as cute as it can be. I think this is such a nice detail. The pockets on this dress did add a little bulk in the hip area, and I think that is accented when you put the racing stripe on it. Now, I dealt with this issue with another dress that had pockets, and one of my viewers was kind enough to let me know that that can be fixed with fabric tape. So if you have that problem with any of your dresses, get some fabric tape. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it's a brilliant idea. This dress has a very deep scoop neck. I think it's a little bit too much for me, and the armholes are just a little bit too big. $64. I'm going to send this one back. If this dress was considerably less expensive, I would probably buy it because I think it's cute and I would wear it at home. But because I am not going to ever wear this dress outside of the home, I am not going to spend $64 on it. Okay, the last dress is the Peyton Jensen. This one is in the color Hot Coral, and that is my favorite thing about this dress is the color. It is so bright. It is so fun. It would be great to wear in the summertime, but it's too short. I think this was the best fitting dress of the three that they sent, but I'm still not comfortable in a dress this short. So again, this is a dress I would not wear outside of the house. I do appreciate that crew neck, and it was a perfect fit in the armholes. I need 4 more inches of length, and this dress would probably be mine, even at a $64 price point, because I could wear this dress. I could go shopping or wear this dress to a barbecue, but I would not be comfortable wearing it at this length. So unfortunately, yeah, I think this one's going back. Okay, the t-shirt. The t-shirt that was on my wish list is $48. I do like this t-shirt. This is by the label Spiritual Gangster. I told you incorrectly because I was reading the tag. Can you see the tag there? I don't know. It's got really, really deep armholes. So I did put on a tank top underneath, and I'm really not the girl that's going to wear a bralette and have a bralette show. So this is one that I would have to pair with a tank top. I don't mind that. I really do like this, and I'm wondering, I'm gonna ask my husband what he thinks about this t-shirt, whether I should get this t-shirt or not, because honestly, because of what it says, because as soon as we start talking about how humble we are or wear it on a t-shirt, it is, I mean, it's such an act of pride to do that, right? I like this t-shirt. I like what it says too. So I will talk this over with my husband, see how he feels about me spending $48 on a t-shirt that has really big armholes, but is so cool. Okay, and the last piece in my box, and this is the most affordable piece, is this sleeveless V-neck top in the palm print, and this is by the brand Evereve. This was originally $58. It is now marked down to $19.99. And that's another thing about Trendsend. Trendsend charges a $20 styling fee. So if nothing else in the box worked, I could keep this one and get my styling fee back. So yeah, but on top of that, I kind of like this sleeveless tank. I like the V-neck, and the V-neck is done well. It is not too low. I think the arms worked all right. I like the back of this top a whole lot. There is a pleat detail in the back. Well, you can't see it. There's the pleat detail in the back. This is kind of a flowy fabric. I like this one, $19.99. It pairs well with my new cut from the cloth black denim. I know that's a pretty dark look for springtime, and I'm always looking to lighten things up, but yeah, I think I might keep this one, again, because I love the sales prices. Are you like me? Do you love discounted sales clothing? Is there anything in this Trendsend box apart from the Evereve sleeveless top and the cut from the cloth denim that you would purchase at full price? I can't wait to hear your comments and see what you think about this Trendsend box. I think this box was much, much better than my last box, so thumbs up to my stylist. Her name is Mimi. She did a great job. This Trendsend box was a lot of fun, and I think it was even better than my last Trendsend box. And one of the reasons is There are 2 pieces in this box, both sale pieces, but both of them I am very excited to add to my wardrobe. The Spiritual Gangster t-shirt, I would like to have it. I don't know. I mean, do you know where I'm coming from? Please let me know how you feel about t-shirts like that. Do you have any feelings at all? I mean, maybe I'm just over analyzing this because I think it's a really cute t-shirt and I would wear it. I would wear that t-shirt. I don't know if my husband would want to be seen with me if I was wearing that t-shirt. I look forward to hearing all your comments, guys. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? Make sure that you're subscribed. I have more clothing to share with you very, very soon. Until we meet again, blessings to you.